Alright, so this is a problem that on its face looks really difficult. We're trying to find just the area of this. Now this is not a shape we recognize, it's not a circle, it's not a rectangle, it seems really difficult. But the key is to look for other shapes we recognize. So for example, we do recognize this shape, hopefully. This is a sector of a circle. And in addition, we also recognize this shape, which is a sector of a circle. So if we can just find the areas of these two, then the area of this larger sector, this whole wedge, minus the area of this will equal the area of the red spot. So let's start by finding the area of this large sector here. So first off, we know the radius of the outer circle is 8 centimeters. So let's start by finding the area of that circle. So area equals pi r squared. So it would be pi times 8 squared, or 64 pi. So that is the area of the large outer circle. But I don't want that area, I just want this area of this particular sector of that. So what fraction, so remember area of a sector is equal to the fraction of the circle times the full area. So the fraction of the circle, it says this is 70 degrees, so it would be 70 out of 360 times this full area, which is 64 pi. So then I can start simplifying, divide each side by 10, so 7 over 36 times 64 pi. They're both even, the top and the bottom, so 7 over 18 times 32 pi. 7 over 9 times 16 pi. I think that's as simple as I'm going to get it. So 7 times 16 is 102 pi over 9. If I've done that properly, 70, actually 112. So that is the area of this big wedge here. So I'll tuck that away for the moment. Now let's find the area of the small wedge. So the small wedge, the full circle here would be pi r squared. So pi, and the small radius is 3. So 3 squared is 9, so it's 9 pi. So this full small circle would be 9 pi, but I just want this wedge here. So again, the fraction is 70 over 360 times 9 pi. And if I simplify this, I can cancel the 10s. 9 over 36 is 1/4, so it's 7 times pi over 4. So 7 over 4 pi. So this is the area of the smaller one. I probably should have reversed these colors. So that's the area of this. This is the area of the full thing. So to find the area of just the shaded spot, I need to take this larger area and subtract the smaller area. So I'm running out of space here. I'm just going to erase this region here just so I have a little space to work with, or maybe I won't. But basically the final answer will just be 112 over 9 pi minus 7 over 4 pi. And I could simplify that, but for now we're going to accept that as the answer. So somewhat complicated, a lot of steps I had to take. It certainly helps if you have more paper. I kind of crammed it in a little here. But it's all about recognizing shapes and realizing you can subtract off parts to find the full amount. So until next time, I am Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.